Here's our 1955 Austin-Healey 100S Tribute. It is about as close as you come to one of the originals. It's an all-aluminum body. It is a 2.6 liter with a Westlake head. It has just taken part on the Going to the Sun rally, where it performed admirably and without fault. And on that tour was a 100S, and I think the guys were amazed at how close it was, and yet how much quicker it was due to its being a hot rod. So I hope you like it as much as I did. We're going to take it for a ride. So we're going to get onto the road, warm it up a little bit, take a different route today to see if we can keep some of the light. I can say this is one of the finest tributes we've ever seen. It's fast, it's tight, it's been uprated with a 5-speed rather than a standard 4 in the 100S. The 45 DCOE Webers are perfect for high-speed touring. I must say, I drove this upstate the other day to meet a friend, and I enjoyed every bit of the 150 miles, just about as much as I enjoyed every bit of the 1,000+ miles we did on Going to the Sun. Desperately trying to come up with what the next rally car is going to be for the Autosport crew. Sounds great, that's for sure. But we have definitely hit rush hour traffic. Well, we're going to run down some back roads. That's just a little part throttle. When you go full throttle, you'll know it. Just a really fun rally car. And if you put in 5th gear, you can cruise all day long. I must say, I'm not always a fan of all Healeys. But the BN1, BN2, 100Ms, and obviously 100S, or for that matter, any properly modified hot rod Heeley, I'm a fan. I'm a fan because it's just a lot of bang for the buck and a lot of fun for the money. So we'll be back to you with a few flybys if you could see us. Like a good flame from the side pipe. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? We were cruising on some straights in New Mexico in 5th gear, and it was just happy. Take this run. As you can see, she's set up really well. Amazing amount of fun on the back roads for sure. Okay, here we go on the farm road. Second. Absolutely no problem. Third, and we'll give you a little burst of acceleration because that's about all we can do today. Great in absolutely every way. We're going to bring it back to the homestead in 2 seconds. A left and a left, and cleaned and put away.